Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this eyeshadow look for you guys using this adorable palette from Makeup Revolution, this mini reloaded palette. There's the shades on the front. Nude About You. And I love the way it came out. This is a simple eyeshadow look for you to create. And we used all 6 colors on the eye. And I would love for you guys to stick around and see how beautifully this little palette performs. So if you guys would like to see how I created this eyeshadow look, then just keep watching. All right, let's get started. How cute is this little palette? So I saw these at Shoppers and I really enjoy my Velvet Reloaded palette. I use it all the time in videos for you guys for eyeshadow tutorials, so I thought why not pick up another Makeup Revolution palette. So this is Nude About You. We have some nice warm nudes, golds, and then some nice pink tones too. So let's create a look with this. I think I'm just gonna start right in the middle with this warmer taupe color. So this one like looks a little bit on the cooler side, more cool on camera than it does in person. So I'm going to start off with that warmer tone. Let's see how pigmented these shades are. Oh yes. Makeup Revolution definitely does eyeshadow right. That is a nice pigmented matte tone. Just gonna drag it all along my brow bone. Now I'm gonna go in with the chocolate brown tone and my Jaclyn Hill JH40 brush, just for a little bit more precision. I'm gonna hold the brush more vertically and just kind of start etching along the shape of my eye, in and above the crease. Just kind of little circular motions, just buffing it into the other tone on the brow bone. These mattes are so creamy, like they're blending beautifully, like no extra work necessary with these. I definitely have to try out some of their other eyeshadow palettes from these little mini sets. Definitely more pigmented and creamier than, oh look at that, more creamier than the Essence little mini packs. Just gonna go in again with that neutral and just blend it over the chocolate brown color. I'm even just gonna kind of feather it up onto right in underneath my eyebrow, right on top of the brow bone. So we kind of had like a gradation, an ombre of color where it's darker to lighter to lightest. I'm gonna try this nude shade on the lid, so I'm gonna go in with a flat brush and see how this blends out. There is a little bit of fallout in the pan, but that is just because there's a lot of creaminess to these matte shades. Just following the shape of my eye, going up into the crease. Just to create more brightness. That gives a nice contrast to that dark color. I use all of these colors on my eyes, so I'm going to go in with the matte pink color and this brush from Prideful that's a little bit more on the fluffy side. And I'm going to put this on the outer corner of my eye. I think I'm not getting as much pigment just because I did lay down that other shade before, but I can definitely see some pink, a little pop of pink in there. Go in with my finger for this. I'm going to go into the gold shade first, and I'm going to place that in the center of my lid. This is a nice foiled color without being too sparkly. Like there's not huge flakes of glitter, and I like that. Just a soft, shimmery look on the eye. Now I'm going to go in with my pinky so I can get this right in the inner corner. I'm going to go in with the pink tone and just pop that right on the inner corner. Very pretty. These are nice and smooth without being too creamy and too soft. So they won't probably move around as much. You'll place them, and that's kind of where they'll stay put on your eye. Take more of a rectangular dome brush. I'm gonna go in with the pink shade, and I'm gonna go underneath my eye, just to get a little bit more pop of pink. I was not expecting this palette to perform as well as it did. $6.79 for this cute little palette that gives you incredibly creamy, rich, pigmented colors that just build so nicely. So they feel creamy in the pan. Like they're so nice, blend out so easily. I am loving this. I'm loving this eyeshadow look with the neutral and the little pop of pink. So, so pretty. So pretty. I can't wait to try more of these little palettes from Makeup Revolution. I think, like I said, better than the Essence. They are so creamy. Like I'm shocked how beautifully they blended out, and this eyeshadow looks so, so good. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys again soon.